Hey guys, here's your quiz. Alright, hopefully this will help you out. Good luck. Make sure you listen to the directions I give you carefully. Alright. Here in the first part, we're going to use this box over here on the side. And I'll kind of highlight things to help you. But you want to make sure you're going to label everything as parallel, skew, or perpendicular. Okay, those are your three choices for all of these. Alright. So the first one, we have WZ, which is this front piece here, and ST, which is this back bottom corner here. Alright, so would those be parallel, perpendicular, or skew? Oh, excuse me, I messed up there. Sorry about that. Back up. Wrong one. WZ and ZR, that would be this one right here. I think it's an R. Would those be parallel, perpendicular, or skew? Okay. Number 2, and I'm going to erase what I did here with 1, put new lines on here. WZ again, so WZ again, and ST. That's why I screwed up the first time. ST. Parallel, perpendicular, or skew. Let's erase that. And the last one, QT, which is right here, and YS, which is going up and down right here. And this one's going this way. Parallel, perpendicular, or skew. On the next couple parts, actually 4 through 9, all of these questions are going to use this picture right yonder. Okay, so we want to classify the angles as corresponding, alternate interior, and you could abbreviate, alternate exterior, or consecutive interior angles, okay? So we just want to identify. So angle 1 and angle 9. Angle 1 and angle 9. One thing we want to keep in mind in all these are the only parallel lines. These two lines are not parallel. Okay? So 1 and 9. Let's see here. Let's erase that. 6 and 16. Angle 6, angle 16. What kind of angles are those? You got one on each side of the line. Okay, kind of diagonal from each other. Which of these would be? Corresponding. Remember, corresponding means they're in the same location, like upper left and upper left. Alternate interior. You should know this. Same with alternate exterior. Exterior means on the outside, interior on the inside. Consecutive interior means they're interior, inside angles, but they're one right after another, right beside each other. Okay, let's go to the next one. 8 and 16. Angle 8, angle 16. Which of those would they be? Now, the next part, we're going to use this picture again. Excuse me, for 7, 8, 9. Angle 1 is 50. So if 1 is 50, we want to know what's angle 5. So we'll highlight him. What is he? Okay. The most important thing that you need to do is identify what kind of angles are you dealing with. Remember, corresponding, alternate interior, alternate exterior. These are all equal. I'll just throw this a little up here too. These are always going to be equal to each other. This one, they equal 180. Okay, so don't forget that. Okay, so let me do that. Tried to erase there. I'll have to choose a different color. Number 8, 6 is 123. They want to know what's angle 3. If 6 is 123, what's angle 3? And number 9, if 13 is 115 degrees, then what is angle 12? Okay. So we're talking about these two. Let's move on to the back. And back, Chonder. We're going to solve for x on these, so we're going to kind of zoom in. Okay, find the value of x. I'm going to highlight these. That's 68, and that's a negative 2x. No, I'm going to say it's a positive 2x. Looks like that line, this line is something with the paper, the copy. Okay, so I'm going to say it's 2x. So you just want to set, these are, what kind of angles? These are consecutive interior, which means they equal 180 degrees. So to set up your problem, I simply want you to go 2x plus 68 equals 180. Bang, bang, bang. Set it up and solve for x. Over to number 11. These are alternate exterior angles, which means they're equal to each other. Okay? So, you're just going to take 2x minus 4 equals 92. Set up your equation and solve. Zoom out here. We're going to use the picture for 12, 13, and 14. Okay, they say he's asking, use a diagram, use a picture, and the given information to determine if MN, which are these two lines, PQ, which are these two lines, if they're all parallel. That's what that little symbol means. Or is it neither? So for number 12, we're going to say that 2 is equal to 11. So could M and N be parallel because of this? P and Q? Or would it be neither? Number 13, I'm going to color code 12. I'm going to color code 13 here. 13's blue. 1 and 13. Okay, 1 and 13. Is that making any of these lines parallel? And then 14, 12, and 13. Okay? So are they making any of these parallel, or is it neither? Then you have a bonus here at the bottom, down here. Find the value of x. What kind of angles do you have? Set up an equation and solve for x. And that concludes our quiz. Have a great rest of your day.